Okay, guys, I didn't do a great job today in our chat room at GreatStockPicks.com. A few decent calls to talk about, and trading is a little sneaky right now. I think it's the Thursday, and then tomorrow's Friday before our of options expiration, and you see a lot of kind of nonsense trading, choppy sideways action, and so can make it kind of difficult. But I'll share with you a couple calls I made today, and I'll show you even a little bit of the nonsense. But DirecTV was strong early. These are daily candles. Nothing beautiful about the daily chart other than it had support here and it had fallen for a couple days. But if you look at 5-minute candles, it was nice and strong early. And then on this pullback, got everybody in here back up here at 42, I think, 42.71, 42.72, something like that, and got to move up to 43. So, I mean, there was a decent little trade, nothing to really brag about. One of the what I thought was a great idea that I had was Electronic Arts as a short idea. Okay, called it short somewhere right in here. I can't remember the exact, and my stop, are you ready for this? Stop was right above this base. Nope, let me get that off there. Stop was right above this base, and if I continue that line, look what happens. Comes up, hits our stop by like a penny, and then falls off a cliff. So that was aggravating. The trigger was here, stop was right there. It comes up, takes out the stop, and then just falls off a cliff like I was looking for. While I have the chart up, though, I did end up late in the day turning on the projector when it looked like this and calling a long right over this candle. Is one of my favorite setups if you've seen any of our videos. 16.98, stop 16.84, so 14 cents risk, and from 16.98 makes it all the way back to 17.56. So a pretty nice one there. But overall, I had some aggravating stuff like the stop out in EA, and I even allowed myself to get sucked into the Chinese solar abyss and tried to play a couple bounces on YGE somewhere in this area and then in this area. You see I got a little bounce there, but nothing worth writing home about. Maybe each time I was risking, I think 3 or 4 cents, maybe a nickel tops, but got stopped out on YGE twice and really never did give a very good bounce. And we initiated a swing trade today, and because we don't have a full position yet, I can't disclose the symbol because we like to scale into these and build a position. But we did start with a 10% buy in a symbol today in a stock today for a swing trade, looking to build a full 100% position. When I say 100%, I don't mean 100% of our account, right? I mean 100% of what we've allotted for each swing trade. We've taken today 10% of that as an entry, and that's going to be a different number for everybody. Always keeping in mind that a full position can go to zero and you can still trade. So you always manage position size. But anyway, started a swing trade in a stock today as well. And we only do maybe we're doing about one a week. So looking forward to seeing how that one plays out. And when we're done with that trade, I'll certainly put it in the wrap-up video or a highlight video about it. So that's it from today. Nothing to really talk about. Again, an aggravating day. Couple decent trades though, but nothing to really brag about. So I'm gonna quit babbling here, and we'll put out a follow-up video with what we do in tomorrow's chat session tomorrow night. Have a good night.